Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add table in Canva resume. So if you want to organize your resume content more effectively, in today's guide, I'll show you how you can add a table to your Canva resume in just a few easy taps. Let's get started. So first, you can just open Canva and select your resume template. So in here, I've already searched for resume template, and let's say I'm going to use one of these templates here. Say this one. You can just click on a template and tap on customize this template. So once the template is open, just head to the elements tab on the left side and just search for tables in here. And you can also go to this charts option if you want to. Then you can just select the tables that you want. You can tap on see all tables. Okay, I'm going to, let's say, use this one. Click on it. Then you can adjust the table to how you like it. You can move it around, or you can also adjust the width and also the height of each columns or rows. You can also move it by clicking on this and drag it just like this. You can also resize the table by dragging it like this. You can change the color if you want to, and also change the font of the tables. If you want to add text to the table, you can just click on each cell to add your content. Let's say I'm going to add this one. So you can just type in whatever you want in here on the table. So once you're happy with your table, you can make any final adjustment to spacing and alignment, and then just save your resume as a PDF or PNG to share with potential employers. And that's it. You've now added a professional table to your resume using Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips. Bye!